Enkwasiade, Pegeli or NCCE, Nenim tan. Enkwasiasa no Twitter and Ochocho, and a Sradi Tianeka. Sa girl Jimmy forward to NCCE or Nye Jumebia. And we remember the nonsense this lady did. They don't know their job. Uko Pamo so say a political witch hunt. Eti Kromha, da Ben was so TV or Ghana Swa. Yeah, but they will be for HIV home. Da Ben, me maka, so far by a mistake. Ashem Mamen come. Adibia me ye Ghana. You come makache mameda. So far be bo humusio. Say my question, Kevin tell Mame come. Me Mame nyanjo, wona me ba so. Baby a wote sa de free no. Obesa ma na ko. So far be bo humusio say, I me be she Kevin tell Mame come. Obenu ho, osofudie de be fono. Weni nji sofudie hu biem. Nyamesam ene nyamedwuma enya wo da biem. Me wo de brebre ma sofu bi nya mistake say makoshe Kevin tell Mame come. Ne yeka say wo obenu ho say oba asase we so. Me kire wo say me kafia. Me komu ama wo. All these things. Share the eba no. Asem we asem so a esu yie a o say di ho nkomo. Na obi beka say na obi beka say na asem be na ekoso sa no. Aba sa hine de so ekromfo. Now Ghana 8th Commission. Omo de asem ya betudwa na asem ni more ding. Asem ni saying asem ni nyina ne say Ghana recorded 15,290 new HIV infections and 12,614 AIDS-related deaths in 2024. Ghana 8th Commission, the statistics be able to more DE. Almost say afe 2024 no. Ghana ye kika AIDS yarwa nyina bubo mu Ghana nyina no. Nipa 15,290. We mu yomo call ye omo test. Omo anko no. Omo je ama je so omo nkokra nko test no. Ye nim no omo de omo ho. We mu ni omo call ho. Eko ye say ye be test. Ebia bibi esi ye ntia o say ye omo test no. We mu na some of them willingly omo ba ye na ebi moto na ebia yare bi na bo omo na decide say ye be omo test. Nipa 15,000 2024 nko awo. Ye 2026. Ye ko 2027. Omo 2024 no nipa 15,290 na omo nya HIV yarewa no. Ana emwa no wo omo system no mu no. Emu 12,614 in 2024 omo nyina 8 na nkasa ku omo. Hey. Asem we nya joke. That means HIV 8 na sebio sayare no and say Ghana no enye easy. Because you can say I recorded nipa 15,290 in 2024. Then bibi to say Menshia South constituency no. Mr. S. Me pesa me example keke menka say mo Menshia South mo 8. And I Menshia North. Mr. S. Mr. P. Menshia North. Omo constituency no. Aba e to no 2024 nipa say na to aba ho. Me pesa me example bi na hu the reality. E dey say waba Menshia North and I Menshia South. And I say bi Akwabre East. And I say the yemfa say we beka say bi am bias. E bi yemfa say waba constituency bi to say den Nshia so. We dwa. Mr. P. Oba Menshia North or Menshia South. Omo nipa omo to about home yes registered voters yes say. Me pese hu picture no nipa dodo a 2024 nko na omo nya den HIV no. Masa nipa 15,290 and remember 15,290 ya record a hospital. Ye omo nam street ni so a omo nyina nko record there say omo ko me test omo. Enti wo fa constituency bi say Menshia North. Now we share nipa dodo omo to about ho a ye yi mu 15,290 plus omo mba mbeto ye. Now say nipa ne dos ye. Mr. P, nipa dodo say to about Menshia North and Menshia South. Raw. Boys is your girls are boys just one team who I say. Yani we better multiple partners. Utu Ghana for Mr. P, thank you. So mention north no dey yam fan say get me mention south. Mention north nipa mo to about ho 70,472. Into 70,000 no wo dey you 15,000 we nipa 15,000 uko kejeti nipa mo go nyina be sa 15,000 omo nyina wo 8 wrong kwa utu boys for monte utu girls for monte. And then when you go on our national televisions you any ad anything sebio NCCE they don't communicate, they don't send any information out. First the crampo na sebio yaka say the biemba no that the number of 8 ada educational yenya no TV so radio so 90s no crown and 2026. And I don't know what the NCCE they do or what their job is. They do nothing. The young people coming, Obia educate Obia. The AIDS Commission, I don't know whether they are funded or not funded. AIDS Commission is so we don't see what they are doing. They can't put education together to send to platforms for people to share. We don't see anything happening. Young people don't they don't see Yariano how dangerous are and nyoma bia obeya obetumi abon ho ban. They don't care, and it hurts me because ejuma we ankasa no education when it comes to educating people about HIV NCCE ejuma NCCE ejuma. But today NCCE, how many people in Ghana po and a kai NCCE enkwasiade regale oti NCCE nenim tan enkwasiase no tetrota and ochochro and esra de atua neka. Sa girl Jimmy forward to NCC onye jume bia. And we remember the nonsense this lady did. They don't know their job. Uko pamo mo so am say a political witch hunt. Ye ti krom ha. Da ben na waso TV or Ghana so a ye bo de wuro bi fa HIV ho. Da ben. We don't see that again. Ye hu sa de ni biem. And also TV so a na TV so Mallam ba omiamu guso. Ubeso Ghana TV so Mallam for ba omiane ni group no muguso yantia se hwe na den etia no de na sie se dem tamakro ba omiane ni nkwase for muguso TV so Mallam for. And the last time we back Ghana tell me catch say me come maame wo na me maame hwe TV na me je remote na say me check it masa enkwase asam paani enkwase asam paani enkwase nduro enkwase asofo enkwase chese jantra nyoma Ghana TV, so there's nothing educative on Ghana television. TV or Ghana, now sometimes we tell something to Mudia no TV so Ghana. Momano dia no moshe. A dear betes, and a dear betes, and a dear betes, and a wedia advertising in a dear. And then so where the onoma utedia now call radio so much gusu Jimmy and I utedia and I utedia mobile ding and I me kwabena enkwase ad ama se sia de I swear mo sankakra I kwabena se sia de be say oba odeda wa na de achi and me ha and me sisi unhu de kwabena ye enya abna enya kwaje de betes eno force no nom and I can gig abena na de serious nkoa ko bi papa de na obo nhwere meyi o se abena edu adoma me de fa bi fa me nkwan mu de edu de ebu adwuma nkasa hwe se esi akrampo no me ho tia me te so o se me do no yensan ko biema na enkwase asem nkoa ye jimitu ya asi enye nipa me so bia Ghana TV ni Ghana radio I say ye moa ene egu ho enkwase ad edie na weni we akoda na be matedie mu adin na oba de so ye oba asema na wonum we ya e be ma oba achi na enkwase asem na mpanifo gu ho na nkwara gu ho ya ese mpuro na time aso na doctor we time aso na den na enkwase ad upe wiase enkwase ad efa enkwase duro ho enkwase ansa ho a e Ghana. Hey, kwabena ene de ade na no pe bo hwe nhwirama sa o se abena mamembo na matede endre de wo kire me so yo ba mu o se an na nadanfo bia fro na abena na ekosi sen o se ene kwabena obo nhwirama ni me se ma kire se dure de duro pampa me simina so obasemanie ene me kuru kwabena obafia enije be yo nkwasea o mu jimi ye nyejuma enkwasi asam we ni wo yakoda na we sisi mu odin ena ye ntufu enkora ne tina Ghana ye masa moa emma nkora ne nim bibia ye Jimmy wo Ghana ye Jimmy o ye sorry I want no power Ghana 24 hours no ye di mu 20 hours Jimmy na 4 hours ya say busy amako I share me sa na de achi ye ni $1 kura da ho Jimmy ehia for so de pay futuo ai bra na ya bi pay wa boredom na ya bi pay a de na edema wo na betumi fo ehia for so na emu no mutufo ai hwe de o ye de ewiase de e na de for Jimmy ko no ha na nam kuro dem na ehia for tufu ekura ehia for de tufu anka oba brochire isika for de tufu Ghana ehia for de tufu we did sika wi di preman oso na otibia se mo boys we de ye ka bibia kire wa mote for kwasi akodo ha ye wu kuta sika okoto aben wa hanam area enkofo yire nem na no amdeda we yase abuofunu ene na oba betuafo ye te kuro ye ntufo uko gina TV so na nkwasiafo so guso in the name of Jesus eno sa wo hwɛ me afa on TV no so enwumbre mi hu oba bi eno your friend K yes American owo okeka ba me ho mekomu ma wore be ho eno me pacho ki na ye ma amenom ye wofamwo ye sister TV so ade a ye fresh ofo na ki fanato so aha na ozi e fra say o kase free asanwene so South Central so na wasam le saying I suffer we de nyame kan ho se kasa na metie suffer sa capitalize I suffer we de me ba wakodi America da o se wudin wo se fra de de vida edimi bow bitrim wa woni mo bia didi k de o se ai me ba panyin Kevin wakose mwa o se kan wasam so for so de we hye de nti be yi nyoma nkoye na nsen na odi cars ba miensa ba ne papa kan ten so nti sia ne ehu de anya ho o se na so asanyo so also free South Central so edimbi ewo so ebo ese aha meti Israel oba no oware wo so de ba de yire ajiu ni o se no ene o kire no pabra boa wo ho ya beje wo kwasi asebo nko a ye sori ankwasi asebo nko na de achi enkwasi asebo nko a ye nya de papa o chiri papa de busuafo aba ye srew wa unim ehiafo de unim akora yi ye na na te ha ya tunifo a we de fa banyame akora kowia akoton wi mi achi no na ebusuapenye fra ntoma nkwasi akeka na obetena we de wa unim obi fum kuma onfum nwa enkwasi abe na ase kuro no enne hwe dipa dodo omanya 8 wa ha ubie ye TV so Mallamfo do muguso enkwasi asebo nko a ba omiane ne nkora ready send na me sendo utumu nkofo be nkuti omu fi last me ba Ghana na me se me ho na kwam ko musa anyoma no me ma me na hwesa anyoma no me we de meka ekwa monica na hwesa anyoma obeko no nkofo do TV no so na DSTV o so nhwe na ode akoto ho ai send ma me sendo ai usika ya say 1000 and fa bra no be 10,000 me omu fi bi o nkofo do TV no so omu fi omu jaribo odo hwe table bi ote ho na de MTN na bo anim na de na companies so tete na nkwasesem we na saade no me no TV no so no TV no eni din o wo be ko da TV din akata TV din no so ekrede mrani ye jibitu ye jibi da pofi ye jimi basa yanko eni di mochi a now eye osono maame madam Tokonu na me last me maka sofo obeye mistake ahye maame nkom ade bia meye wo Ghana na maame kro ma me maame o ma because me maka che maame dada sofo obebo hu musuo se makose Kevin tell maame kom me maame nya ne hwo wo na me ba wo so baby a wo te sa de free no obesa ma na ko sofo obebo hu musuo se ai me be hye Kevin tell maame nkom obenu ho osofo die ebe fono weni nji sofo die hu biem nyamesam ene nyamedwuma enya wo da biem me wo de brebre masofo bi nya mistake say makoshe Kevin tell ma mekom ne ye ka se wo wo benu ho se oba asase we so ma kire wo se me ye kafia me komu ama wo wenya wonkom sha fafa baby wenya wonkom sha fafa baby me ma me si suru we hu ne da me mfa kwase ma sha ma mekom wenya wonkom sha sheko na me de bre na one day ma beti se so fu bi se wa hye me ma nkom na wa be pre de ho abeka na me so mu a me so kom se na kakra national TV so me so kom se kra me bu ma to atu sa kokko kwase asem ko na ne te Ghana Monti mu frustrating nkofo maame nkofo ti abrochire na mu frustrate omo maame nom na mu frustrate omo maame de omo kire ne se maame wei o wa sori no amate se ne ba wa abrochire omo tata maame no maame ne tumi ma ne ma pressure wa abrochire me namfo bi omo ha na de bi omo maame gina omo kon me sika otam sika ne ma no ko masofo de ebufu kra ne se omo tumi de ye maame fo na edidi omo tirim maame fo ne bedu America odi sika mo na o sare ko masofo no Ghana. I'm telling you. Bebre mu gu akrom ha omutumi brainwash maamefo na to the point say me namfo de bitumi kofa omo maame fra brochire Ghana ba brochire omutam sika ma omo maame wa ha na omo maame ase ne sika na ko Ghana koma sofo de na obuza won say e na ekoso Ghana e pa na san kwasase moyi it needs to stop. Me dem say obra sofo bi try side we hwe sofo bi oso do e Jack on the Jack Rambo on try say o ma hye Kevin Taylor maame nkom obenu hu o Ghana ho wa sorry no megu na achia yam asade aye jantra for store wa sorry megu no me eko megu wa sorry na mama jantra for abegina ho anajo megu no de aye jantra for sport unime menye sa mistake ne da baby a wo hwe nkom kono hyeko na wo de wo che wo ya ganga wo na wo ya hard me meti asofu bia na so me mba obi asori me no obi ametwen ye wo ye nyamedwuma ye onyamedwuma na wo bo careless ye medi makoshe ka vitela ma menkom makoshe ka vitela papa nkom wa asori no me make sure se me gu no so a me ma ajantra for na abegina ho e dey ajantra for sport. Yeah, some kwasiase needs to stop.
Without and then Jimmy some plan on what? Myself, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. And then Jimmy some plan on what? 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 Myself. And then Jimmy some plan on what? Myself, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. Whoa. Who's backing you? I'll slap you right now. Stop it, dog.
The tomatoes. He's reconnecting the fresh tomatoes with the tin tomatoes. Hey, whoa. Makacho say, your setup here that we found to TV, so. You are reconnecting the fresh tomatoes with the tin tomatoes. And then the tomatoes. Also, nya kuma so TV, so. One day, I tell you, say, Wababa, Eduane, why ye Gary pa Cap Gary Siwo. Na ye better say enam esi jaso ma ochi ye bebu say beku kraman na achi one day ye tia no wachi kraman no weku na chia ye bagu edi me yedi ye tia akwa we ti bia na kuma ha no enyam wan say next episode ye be wan say enam akese didem ye bebu say na okraman no here say machi na ku na chi na we because akoma na kuta kwa we no one day anhwe ye ye betia say wa frɛ eye den eye Anthony Cabo omoku kraman na we. One day, yetiano wa Anthony Cabo. Anthony Cabo, or we cramai dreads. Haguano. Now, Omoku Kramaya, oh, send a nice song. The nicest for to Mr. Camino Budukum. Anthony Cabo. Our we cramai, my doctor catches in the court of Jenny Nanye. Anthony Cabo. Oh, we cramai Anthony Cabo. Anthony Cabo. On first now come Kramaya. Now, almost a cramano. On no bar, or say, or Jano Budukum cry, or the good chance. Or to book cramai tree, come no the good chance, or some Munkuman. Anthony Cabo. One day, Tiana kwa we have to the Cabo, and in the cook or Kramaya way, TV. So, someone take Krama way, sound the beam. One there's a quad who couldn't I'm crying. I, Mummy, go in him. But I had Nabutre, and I said, Nabutre, Tiger.
And who is saying that is soup? I used to act. I'll brought someone who.
Nabutre, oh, yeah, Juma, oh, yeah, also crowd jabble, you are too much, oh, you are too much. I've never Nabutre video, no. O church and Kofudiani ye, O chum. Nyambutreka cray, Ediano no. O chum say, you have fresh tomatoes, and I saw tomatoes, and I want in tomatoes, and I will church and Kofu say, Ediana will reconnect it. Ignore the party of what's wrong, because you know, names are yes, you. So I say, I'm quiet, and then I was soon Yabutra, no. Ah, Menyabutra, my steady video, and I also say, I'll call you too much. I dear you, Bianca Bibia, a man for trauma, Jenny. Ewo Eddie internet and so and our page and so let them write what they are writing. You are the one doing the cooking. Eddie and so no. You are doing too much. Eddie and now ultimately have thrown in when you bear home. Ah, ubu food in dinner, we did the department. Almost say I'm quite also now yes still no. You are reconnecting the tomatoes. So what is this thing of you getting so pissed off? Oh yeah, yeah. I'm out for you but show. Now wakuma.
And then Jimmy some plan on what? My son, if you don't, I'll slap you over there with that. Whoa. Who's backing you? I'll slap you right now. Stop it, dog. Make a new down. I didn't see you, no. I don't want to make it.
Oh, American, can bet you to move. Uko bokramain. Ubu fuma or so who is backing that you are backing. Because you are backing, that's why dog is backing. Who American ka dogs lives matter for come on me have a father that. Nyabutre. If a patience imbo. Nyabutre duane na ho chechim. Ka American na wanka odem because what attack kraman. Ka be ukwa ko gina court suit adetira odo ho sa akwa kraman. Me ba kroma me first time call court. Na kraman bi timi area. Na kraman no small dog be. In fact, my neighbor used to he still works at NASA. Or a very tiny dog. What's the dog's name? Oh, Jackson, Carmine White, beautiful dog. Now, Papa didn't walk kakra, and I think one of our neighbors, Mami be a very off kakra, and I think some Mami no, Etienne Carmine no. Hey, right, we grew up with so Jackson was going for a walk on Indiura. That's the first time we call to. Me krama intina call na ka me call kwa day. Krama intina can the Japan intina me call na me call day. So that time I was outside too because that time I used to live in a townhouse. Inti na yeah also be a townhouse there. Intina me sum jina bontene. And na me ne Jackson owner Edin Komo. And they took about 10 steps from me. They were using the pavement the other side. And I'm Musa Mameno. So Omagan Kramani Shege Kakro so Kebugu Kramani so. I think the dog maybe the dog peed on her grass, something like that. And I'm many peeing on my Kramani Shege Kakra. And I just Meso Koja came a problem. You say I saw the cost me will be. And when I hear dancing for hey, and there's some Jackson's walk of our me. I did ya from me say me neighbor say yanko court adan me na me witness me ko witness ma Jackson and I'm say e dey kwa some dey go so kuruma no and I go kiss my wife say sang some phone e go so kuruma no and I say oh this Jackson we all love Jackson Zara loves Jackson and I say to me go there dance ma Jackson it Jackson lives matter Jackson too has right but panade ma me ko court adan we tie bagu Jackson so ni nyina say Jackson wenya eye de trauma Jackson ho popo o colleagues gu Ghana egu eyedien nyame be kire ene kai me bre choba e ma dompeto ano betam ko o ti America say obi atia wonti wo wo so Jackson say ono papa no o show statement na Jackson could not sleep the whole night. He basically could not eat his food. Jackson has been peeing and Jackson has been shivering. We actually called the doctor. We say hey, me ready and our main witness Mr. Kevin Taylor will give account. We say hey, and opportunity Tuesday, me cast 2018. My suit. Din. And one I'm to be Jackson so over to Maka court. And yeah, Obia Tiago Jackson so. Me heard Jackson so at the Gabon Yawa Godobe desert keke. Who put us on your meal? Jackson obey to say. Me so at the Gabon Yawa or do we the sim and send over Bedidi. You go to court war. Mr. Taylor, can you mount the box? Me say, hey, assemble Kraneko Bedu. Man, nantia, my and then they be me be dear dance ma Jackson. Because of Jackson it's you. Me mia, please can you swear na blah blah in the name of God? Can you state your name? So my name is Kevin Taylor. Are you the witness for Jackson? But 30 seconds, I'm in Kasaya. I didn't question on Zaro. I'm so yes. I feel the busa. My minute to walk. Me na me Jackson witness. Just say your community nyina about court. Adentra Jackson inti. Ya wini case easy. And I'm judge Madam Judge. As soon as it na me jina abo ho. Jackson anka so kama kakraba on nam ha. And also you can speak any language. Oh na me pede me kamfanti. And I also what kamfanti? And I'm go for mami ba Mrs. Bradson. Oyejmo court what infanti pa. And also she's the interpreter. Mr. Taylor, go ahead. Court wa heading. And I'm say oh Koto, amankasa, me be krom ha, me mpem ho asem, menzi obi are kaw, menye me yer, na me ba ma woni, ye ne etse. Na anopa wa bo nonson, na me ka. Na Jackson na ne papa wo betwam na won mizin komo ye nyina yete mantem. And my man said, hold on. So, Your Honor, what Mr. Taylor is trying to say is that they are all neighbors. They live in the same community. In fact, in the morning, Jackson and the owner, Mr. Rockbot, they were basically taking a walk. They actually said hi to Kevin, whose daughter is a very good friend to that family. Mr. Taylor Twado. And I said, you know, there. Me judge na wana me wuna papa yi onye na Jackson yi wo twem wo na medwin there what do mamen ni gate anon na Jackson me sure o sanchin Jackson sanchin Vantidi do na Jackson o sanchin na o sanchin mamen wenye ebufu wona akomam na o ten Jackson to o ma Jackson na nkasa ne crowd ne reho. I said, wait, Mr. Taylor, I want to continue. Your Honor, what Mr. Taylor is trying to say is that actually Jackson was taking a walk. The owner and Jackson were taking a walk. It's true in front of Miss Haley's apartment. What happened was Jackson wee-weed. And I'm saying, wee-weed, no, or what man kind of Jackson or to wee Mr. Jackson or Sanchin. I was Mr. Taylor, I'm just want to explain. I said, so Jackson wee-weed on the grass. Mr. Mommy, I said, can we, Mr. Day, Jackson or Sanchin? Whoa. Ready? Yeah, you know. You know Jack. My bottom. Now, me, moment to show this. Hey, I come my bottom. Now, when you're free, never. Sometimes I'm to meet now. I'm say, echo. Can you yo? Moment to show this. Whoa. Now, fucker.
Nobody else was down to me and go for do it. Every day you are lying. There be our boy will be more. Confa list the rank for our boy. Contompumia. Obi oye dabrabe mu. Obi osewo 276 building, not a public place. Get away within you don't win trying to so we need draw. No, comment draw. Obi a who interview. Who better say you know anu nyina for the intenso now who threaten via quiet drug business. Only obi kasa no nipa ko na ya. Ye betia so. Who is this man? Menopause. Na ginimu. Clear. The man has shown to MPP say, or doing a foot, 24 years in parliament. How many companies do you have in Asen? If you acquire or Timu, your friend is saying, moving picking. What if I got down on Tiaka? Who 257 houses now to be hotel? What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You will be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then I will call oil. A channel out on rice. How can on you be any to soon be a jar with you, and then people are said. Don't believe any Jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get away. Then the boss, you're nearly too much, you're nearly too dark. He hates Baumia with everything. The family is my to dark. Na Kennedy immediately to shoot. Nasani by a nearly to soon man quite on contest election. When you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who the mad. Kennedy is about tribal. And a banning to for Yehoah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you're more forgetting. Honorable, if you don't win, we don't care about you.
What will you do if you win the primaries?
What
will you support him?
What are we going to sell? No, tell me what are we going to sell? What will we be selling?
This is the NPP. Boys we kasaya kasa Kennedy Tondru Bone. Boys we kasaya to be a point of Kennedy Tondru Bone. Kennedy is a drug dealer. Boys we kaya a bronya o kaya kasa o Tondru Bone. O ya trofo o ya kromfo. These boys don't ever think of leaving this party. And nobody in this party can sack you. As far as I, Kevin Taylor, I live. As far as an MPP member like yourself, a card-bearing member who pays his tithe indirectly, as far as I live, you have no option. Don't ever think of leaving the party. Stay in here. Tinem, speak your mind. Make sure the right things are done. Your dreams say on to me in a party, no, they should leave. Aqua and to me, emetnasena sebio addition yane. Addition to me yanena enkwa emeje party moso. And I don't expect you to basically run away and hand over such a party to Samira Baumia. Then that will make you the biggest coward on this planet. For you, the things you have said, nyoma waka, akukuduro sema waka. If you leave this party, Emma Samira Baumia, then you are the biggest coward in the history of Ghana. Prove to these people. Prove to the people who supported you. Let them understand. And your party president in Tina Obaye, and your flag bearer, and your party ye. Say in the next 42 years, we to the party Jina ye. Na in Chinimba to Mabo. They have done coups upon coups. O colleagues in Yoma Pamomo, you should save the party. You cannot hand over this party to Samira Baumia. You can never do that. You will lose your dignity. You will lose what you basically stand for. You'll be seen as a chicken. A man for be who was party was some do sika shem. Ayed yenisa we and the Fulani ba inti obe resigning. Don't ever dare think about that. Baba Jansa for you be Peniti etina etimantimante. Akwara ode ekabebe fie no otija ho a na obobesia. Asem kese pa ankasa eba franka ebi nsi so Kennedy. Na mpedifo so aka. Ya say adua ne ho ofe. Adua ne ho ofe. Enye ne tipen eni abronye. Mpedifo ana aka. Omzi kuku a wahram esi. No way time kurano. Na sebio. Enye kokati pen no. Then penifo asaka. Omo say echo emu odin. Echo emu odin. Ayana ehren chekufo ado enim. Kennedy. Yem penifo asaka. Yem penifo oma ka kire Ghana for. Yes, jantre ni owe experience. Jantre ni owe experience. Oni asofo ne start. Obanyansafo ibuni be yen kanasem. We will meet tomorrow. Yebedwum. Yebechirechim amagana fo hunu kure no. God loves you and God loves me. Let's love each other. Let's live in peace and harmony. Your brother should be your brother and your sister should be your sister. No homo.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.